What is up, guys? It's Brody. Welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to take a look at this brand new floor plan that's never been released by Forest River, and it is the 2026 Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 24RBHL. Now, let's not get it confused with the 24RDHL. They are completely different floor plans, and today we are going to explore the 24RBHL and show you what it's all about. Alright everyone, welcome to the inside of this 24RBHL. Now the first thing I noticed when I walk into this camper is that it's a couples camper. Definitely, I don't know if I've seen a better layout for a couples camper, especially with being under 30 feet in length. This camper is 29 feet and 7 inches. The exterior height is 11 feet and 3 inches. And I believe the weight of this camper is around 56 to 5,700 pounds. So let's go ahead and jump into a few key features of this floor plan. So with this floor plan and layout being perfect for couples, let's start in the bathroom. So the bathroom has a large double vanity with 2 sinks. It also has a massive mirror with some nice background and accent lighting. It also has a nice amount of storage below as well. We've got a standard foot flush toilet, and then over into the shower area, it's actually a really nice height. I would say about 7 feet, and you also get some nice storage off to the side from the shower. Now let's go ahead and jump here into the living space, which features these nice theater seats with a little bit of storage right here and plenty of cup holders. This is all going to be in the slide out, as well as the fridge and a little bit of storage. So let's take a look. Then heading over into the kitchen area, you actually get a nice little coffee nook or coffee bar with a lot of storage around it. Then we have a nice 3-burner cooktop with a microwave below it. Then above, there's great shelving space with hooks. You could put coffee mugs, pots, pans, whatever up there. And then you could put spices maybe on top of that top nice wooden shelf. Then there's a nice like farmer style sink that gives you plenty of room to wash all those dishes. And then below the sink you also get plenty of storage with these cabinets and drawers. Lastly, to close off the kitchen area, you get a nice little couples bar where you could eat some nice breakfast, a nice supper, just a nice little bonding spot. And lastly, but most certainly not least, we have the bedroom. And the bedroom has a very nice sized couples bed with plenty of storage to go around, as well as a nice little convenient closet located in the corner. Alright guys, and that's going to cover it today for this 24RBHL. And like I mentioned earlier, try not to get it confused with the 24RDHL. Very similar names, very different floor plans. I will have that one though linked in the description if you guys want to take a look at that model as well. And if you guys want to see some of the exterior features on this camper, I will have this camper linked to our website below, so you guys can take a look at some of those exterior features. And yeah guys, that's all I have for you today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you would like to see in another video. Thanks guys. Peace.